Hi everyone, welcome to Simas. Hope you all keeping a positive mindset and thank you very much for supporting my last video. In recent days, life become very fast and competitive. Everyone wants to be the best and missing the race will leads to stress and frustration. Let us talk about the worst feeling called frustration today. Let us try to understand what is frustration and how can we stay away from it. Frustration is a self-feeling which happens when something is not happening the way we wish it to be. It is very common in today's competitive work environment and centralized family system. We get frustrated even for silly matters these days. There are mainly three ways normally we get frustrated. Number one is people. Sometimes a friend's action frustrates us. And number two is ourselves. When we're stuck into a traffic jam, we get frustrated. And number three is an events like a flight delay also frustrates us in many times. What is the solution for this? How can we stay away from frustration? The answer is very simple. Just follow the 3 steps which I'm going to explain to you now. They are realizing the reality, change your perception, and sharing. How realizing the reality can help you? When you get frustrated, just think for a moment that there is any chance for you to control the reason for your frustration. If not, there is no meaning to get frustrated on this issue. For an example, if a traffic block frustrates you, just think that this is not only you, there are many others getting affected. And you have no control over the reason of the block. So the best way to avoid frustration is to utilize your time productively by listening to a music you love or reading something. This will help you to divert your attention and avoid frustration. Secondly, your perception may lead you to frustration. As an example, one of your best friend did not show up on the time he promised. You may think that he is trying to avoid you, but it may be a wrong perception because he or she may caught up in an emergency situation which prevent them to come to you on time. So instead of thinking negatively, thinking something realistic or reasonable will help you to stay away from frustration. Finally, sharing your situation with your best friend or your partner may allow them to give you a better solution, which will certainly helps you to avoid frustrating situations. Being with optimistic people and talking and sharing with them your situation also will helps you to keep frustration away. Next time when you feel getting frustrated, just stop what you're doing. Try to adapt one of these steps which will definitely helps you to keep frustration out of your life and lead a healthy lifestyle, which will certainly makes you a role model for others. Let us wind up with this today and see you soon with another important topic. Please don't forget to subscribe and share my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you very much for your continuous support and take care.